Got something delicious in here. Yeah, it's going to be some soup over rice. I've got chicken and sweet potato, onions, tomato, and I put a side of broccoli, beside it. And it's going to be over rice. A very special person taught me how to cook like this. Yeah, it's going to be delicious. So here's my rice, and I'm getting ready to fix my plate, and I will show you what it looks like in just a moment. All right, so here's what it looks like. I've already tasted it, and it's very, very delicious. So I'm getting ready to eat. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. See you in the next video. Actually, I forgot the broccoli, so here's the broccoli. And as I said, it is delicious. So again, hope you enjoyed watching this. See you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe. Welcome back to my subscribers, and welcome to my new people watching. And like I said, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so you can see more videos as they come. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.